Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. I want to start my video with a smile. Now you can see I'm smiling because I'm feeling good. I am very excited today, and that's why I'm making this video. So I hope that you all are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Actually, I want to improve my English. That's why I most of the time I try to spend by talking English. So that's why I'm making this video. Definitely I want to improve, and I know that without practice I could not improve my English. That's why I am trying to speak in front of my camera. Okay, so if you are really want to improve your English, there is no alternative way without practice. Okay, first of all, I want to give you some suggestion. That is, actually, I'm not at good English, but still I'm trying. I'm struggling, and I know the process actually. So, two formula you have to maintain. That is reading and practicing. That means speaking. If you read a lot, but if you don't practice, that will be useless. Definitely that will be useless. So I think you already know. If you are want to improve your English, definitely you know that type of thing. The people, so many mentors, they give us some direction. That is English as a language. So it has 4 parts: speaking, writing, reading, and also listening. So I think if you want to improve your English, you are just follow 2 things. That will be enough. That is listening and practice. Reading also boring. So I never practice reading, writing. Sometimes I read some English book, but most of the time I just listen and practice. Okay, now I am in my shop and I am sitting on a chair, and my shop is actually there is a evening time. That's why my shop is, there is no customer in my shop, and I am spending my time with myself. That's why I decided that okay, I make a video. Now you can see there is a refrigerator, and by using this phrase, inside of this freeze there is a lots of cold drinks and ice cream, and over there you can see a computer. Actually this computer I use for my personal use. Sometimes I edit my video by using this computer. Also I offer some service, computer related service, like some customer come to me to compose their document, some customer come to me to apply online. So many things, so many reason I use it. I hope that you already understand that actually what is happening in my shop. Now also I want to show you that there is a road actually in front of my shop. Also there is a river. You can see the river is full of water right now, and if you want to go to other side of this river, you have to go to by boat. There is a boat. If some people want to go to outside, our other side, they use boat and they go to the other side. Okay, so like you can explain so many things. Okay, now I'm sitting on a chair, I'm in my shop, I'm explaining these things. If you are at office, you are at a school, you are a coaching center, definitely you can explain so many things, and definitely you have to practice. First thing is you have to practice. If you are thinking that oh my god, I don't know how to make sentence, definitely it's a common problem face everyone. I also face, actually still now I'm facing these problems, and I face sometimes hesitations, but day by day I'm trying to improve myself, and you are definitely will be able to speak in English if you follow just 2 things I already mentioned in this video. Just follow these things and speak in English. And I also crazy lover of English. I want to improve my English. Okay, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.